Kucoin exchange, the exchange that's for the people. Our DCA bot and spot grid bots. How's it been going? Cardano, what's new? And we're banking profits, 3.3% in 8 days. So in this video, we'll be looking at Kucoin itself, we'll be looking at Cardano, and we'll get an update on how did we get to 3.3% in 8 days. But all of this is gonna happen right after you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's have a look at Kucoin itself. Kucoin ranked in the top 10 according to CoinMarketCap. In the 7th position, exchange score of 7.2, a trading volume in the last 24 hours of $832 million, and with weekly visits of over 2 million people. It's truly making this exchange the people's exchange. So what is Kucoin? Kucoin is a cryptocurrency exchange built with the mission to facilitate the global free flow of digital values. It claims to have emphasis on intuitive design, simple registration process, and high level of security. The platform supports trading, future trading, a built-in peer-to-peer exchange, the ability to purchase cryptocurrencies with credit or debit card, and instant exchange services. Also known as the People Exchange, the platform facilitates 1.2 trillion in lifetime trading volume and supports over 20 million users worldwide. The company claims to offer technology-driven trading products and the Kucoin ecosystem, which encompasses the Kucoin community, and it's built around the Kucoin KCS. When did Kucoin launched? The officially exchange launched was in 2017. Now that's 5 years ago, and this company is just growing by the day. Now one of the coins we're trading through the GridBots on Kucoin is Cardano. Let's have a look at Cardano. According to CoinMarketCap, Cardano is in the 8th position. The last hour, 24 hours and 7 days, it's down in its gains, but it still has a market cap of over $13.7 billion. Trading volume of $670 million in the last 24 hours, and currently circulating supply is just above 34 billion Cardano. Trading at the price of 39.66, almost 40 cents. Cardano, are it gonna gain the ground it needs to? But what is Cardano? Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain platform that says its goal is to allow change makers, innovators, and visionaries to bring out positive global change. To learn more about the project, check out our deep dive of Cardano. The open source project also aims to redistribute power from unaccountable structures to the margins of individuals, helping to create a society that is more secure, transparent, and fair. Cardano was founded back in 2017 and the name after the 16th century Italian polymath Girolamo Cardano. The native ADA token takes its name from the 19th century mathematician ADA Lovelace. Widely regarded as the world's first computer programmer, the ADA token is designed to ensure that owners can participate in the operations of the network. Because of this, those who hold the cryptocurrencies have the right to vote on any proposed change to the software. The team behind the layered blockchain say there have already been some compelling use cases for its technology, which aims to allow decentralized apps and smart contracts to be developed with modularity. In August 2021, Charles Hobson announced the launch of the Alonzo hard fork, causing Cardano price to surge, gaining 116% in the following month. On September 12, 2012, the Cardano Alonzo hard fork officially launched, bringing smart contract functionality to the blockchain. Over 100 smart contracts were deployed in the following 24 hours after the blockchain. Cardano is used by agricultural companies to track fresh products from the field to fork, while other products built on the platform allows educational credentials to be stored in a tamper-proof way and retailers to clamp down on counterfeit goods, creating another opportunity, a different blockchain and unique in its own way. But let's get back to Kucoin and look at our trading bots. What has been happening? Currently on Kucoin, there's 9.5 million different bots created worldwide. Spot grid bots, future grid bots, smart rebalance, DCA bots, infinity grid. But the two we're using are the DCA and the spot grid bots. Currently we have a total of 9 different bots happening. Let's have a look first at our DCA bots. Our DCA Shiba Inu has been running for 24 days because we're doing $1 a day and it's down $1.93, now around about 8%. Looking to our other DCA bots, they've been running a longer period of time, 67 days and 68 days, down 8% as well and 16%. But the DCA bot always generates the opportunity to gain when the price goes up. Looking at our grid bots, we can see that XRP has been running away yet again. In the last 8 days since our previous video, our $1,000 has gained $34 in profit. That's a gain of 3.4% in the last 8 days. Looking at our ranges is pretty in place, but only Cardano is out. So let's change Cardano. It's currently trading at 59 cents. So we're just going to expand our grids. We're going to take it down to 58 cents. And our top grid will keep at 0.57. The number of grids is 83. And we will confirm and we'll let it run away yet again. Let it just keep on building and growing. We'll give it a second and our GridBot is active yet again. Currently, Bitcoin is trading around the $19,000 mark. So I'm going to lower my lowest position on it as well. My top positions I always keep because the moment this GridBot moves back up and go beyond my grids at the top, it will generate the additional profits. Getting our BTC back in place. And we'll confirm. So our BTC gave it some room to drop a little bit more. But I'm going to take profit from XRP since it's all in the green. So the bot will reinvest profits into grid trading to attain compounded growth. And that's a unique option. If it does that, it helps you to keep on growing. But we're going to take profits. As we can see, we got 28 cents in USD. So I'm going to stop this bot and I'll reopen it at 32 cents and 52 cents. We'll stop it. We'll convert it all to USDT. And we'll see some profits. As we can see, $1,000.34. Now we're going to readjust our XRP bot. We were trading between, let's make sure, 32 and 52, and we'll restart it right there again, keeping it in place, but we're only gonna put in $1,000 again. Create the bot. We're skimming from the top. The bot keeps on working and we keep on banking profits. The main thing is to keep on banking profits, and they give the opportunity of it to compound. We can see this is our different orders, our buys and our sells, and we'll let it run. A unique opportunity. I'm waiting for all of my unrealized potential profit and total profits to be in the green. The grid profits should always be in the green, but the moment all three is, that's when you make the most gains. So the DCA bots and grid bots just keep on ticking over and generating profits. Leave me your thoughts and concerns down below and let me know how you're structuring your account. And remember, enjoy the extreme crypto gains.